welcome back everyone. I know I haven't posted in a really long time, and as you can tell from the Mustang, she's filthy. She is absolutely filthy. I have neglected this car so long that spiders have moved in and made a home in my car. And so today I want to get this thing clean. I'm about to take it up to my dad's shop in order to replace the flywheel. We have an incorrect balance flywheel in here that's causing it to shake real good. I want to get all the mechanical sorted out before I move on to the paint and body. And for today, I'd like to thank my sponsor, SuperClean. SuperClean sent me an awesome box full of cleaner, and we're going to use it today to get this thing cleaned up. Everything from the engine bay to the wheels, and get this thing looking good so I'm not too embarrassed driving it down the road, you know, kind of in the condition it's in. So, let's get started. All right, paint's clean. Let's start working on the engine bay. All right, so as you can see, when I rhino lined this, it looked really cool for about a month. And then now there's this just like layer of film. It's not just dust because it's almost sticky. Because I do test drive this thing every, 2 months or so just to drive it around the neighborhood. And there's just a film of something on here. So that's why I'm really hoping this SuperClean really knocks it out. So I'm gonna just spray it all over there. I'm gonna use an agitating cloth, and then I'm gonna hit it with my low pressure washer. Oh wow, that comes out really smooth. I thought it was gonna come out like a stream, but it's a nice little foam. And it just kind of, wherever you spray, it kind of just materializes. That's actually really kind of cool. Get my valve covers, but really the biggest thing, the shock towers. Like, they show the dirt the worst, and the grease. But I still love the rhino lined look. It's just, like I said, a pain to keep clean. All right. Oh yeah, dude! Wow, that just came right off. The grease, it's not even sticking anymore. Let's see if it makes this stuff shiny again. Yes. Yes, it does. Get down in here. Even clean the battery up a little bit. I just, I get it. It's beat up. It's missing a hood. It's got paint chips all over it. But it don't mean that I can't have a little bit of pride when I'm driving it around my local town. I actually got permission from the local PD to drive it in its current condition, as long as I keep it within the city limits, because my dad also lives in the same city as me. He's got this fantastic shop with a 2-post lift, and it's going to make swapping out that flywheel so much easier. Oh wow, I took the grease off the valve covers, and I hit that with some pressure. It's probably going to clean those up really good. My breather cap came clean. Get way down here. Yes. Oh man, that grime is just gone. Huh. Okay, they weren't lying. This is an actual degreaser. Like, not use it on the paint, but definitely use it on your engine bay, especially on these classics. All right, let's hit it with some pressure. Get it cleaned up. You'll notice I'm not really spraying it into my carburetor or anything like that. That's kind of dangerous. I'm just keeping it on the outside. All right, we're gonna let this bake in the sun. Let's go hit the wheels. All right, as you can see, these wheels are gross. They got crud all over them. That's some sort of, it's not just dust, it's something else anyway. So I'm just gonna put my super cleaner, all wheel cleaner on here. Put on some of the tires. I'll nail the tires too. And I got here just a normal car wash brush. Just gonna scrub it in there, get in each of the spokes. See how well these normal wheel cleaners, to me, they don't work. I've never had anything really work that well. It always leaves like a film, or it dries too fast, or once you hose it off, it's nothing really shiny without having to get in there with a rag. So let's see how SuperClean does it. What I'm really interested to see is, I love this shiny metal part. I love that when going down the road, all you see is just like a halo. So I want to see if it gets real clean. I'll grab my towel real quick. So does it get it clean? I'd say so. And there's no film left behind, which is really nice. The junk I buy at Walmart and AutoZone always leaves a film behind. But does it get it shiny? Wow. Okay, guys, if you want clean wheels, get super. Look at this. Good. Look how shiny that is. Okay, you got me sold. And I'm barely having to dry it. Like, I'm just running it over. I'm not having to rub to get the stuff off. Like, it actually took all the crud off the wheel in the rim and here in the black. Let's do another wheel. I'm not so sure. I'm not convinced yet. If we can do it for 2 wheels, I'm sold. So again, really gross wheel. It's just crud all over it. Good saturation on it. And I guess I am kind of scrubbing it, but I'm using a pole with bristles on it. Getting deep into that paint and keeping it on silver rim. In fact, really down here. I had a leaking brake cylinder before I went to discs, and it always would leak into this silver part. That's actually looking really, really good. Even cleaned up the tire, got rid of the yellowness to the tire. No leftover residue. Man, that's incredible. That's awesome. Huh. Wow. Well, I've used a lot of automotive products up to this point. If you're a car person like me, or into automotive at all, you know you've bought products that say they'll do something, but then they don't. These do what they say they do. This wheel cleaner is some of the best wheel cleaner I've ever had, and I plan on getting more of it. I don't think I've ever seen these wheels as clean as they are right now. And this thing, I mean, it says right on the back, engines, but I wanted to see if there was something that could clean up my Rhino liner that I put in the engine bay, and this can. So it's really nice to find a product that does what it says it does. You can buy these at most of your auto parts houses, Napa or O'Reilly's Advanced. You can buy it at Ace. You can buy it online at Walmart or Amazon. You can find these. They're really easy to find and purchase in store. I want to say thanks to SuperClean for sending me some to give it a shot on my Mustang. She's looking better, okay? She's still ugly, but we're gonna fix that in future videos. But right now I'm gonna hop in it, head to my dad's house, and swap out that flywheel. So as always, thanks for watching. Leave a comment, leave a like, whatever you want to do. But have a great day.